Are you ready to elevate your bass fishing game? Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, slip bobber fishing offers an exciting and effective way to target bass in various water conditions. This technique combines the finesse of standard bobber fishing with the versatility of adjusting your bait presentation, making it a favorite among anglers looking to increase their catch rate.
See, my new setup works.
Welcome to my video. Today I will cover ins and outs of slip bobber fishing for bass. You'll learn about my slip bobber wacky rig hack on a jig head and strategies that can help you land those trophy-sized bass. From understanding the water dynamics to mastering the perfect knot, this video will prepare you to cast your line with confidence. Slip bobber fishing is a popular technique used by anglers to fish for various species, such as various types of panfish, bass, walleye, and even catfish. The biggest advantage of using this technique is that it allows you to fish at different depths on the fly and also helps present your bait effectively. From using soft plastics as lures or attaching live bait, this technique does not disappoint. Here's how to get started with slip bobber fishing. Here is how you set up your slip bobber bass rig. Start off by putting your line through the loop of the bobber stop. And then slide your bobber stop onto the line. Slide your bead next. Then the bobber. At the business end, use a non-slip loop knot to secure an 1/8-ounce jig head for your wacky rig setup. Viewers, on this channel I'll take out all the frustrating aspects of fishing by introducing only what's practical, because fishing should be fun and rewarding. If you're interested on fishing methods that are simple but effective, subscribe now. To make a non-slip loop knot, start off by making an overhand loop and give yourself a decent amount of tag. Take your tag end and put it through the eye of your hook. After that, put it through the overhand loop you made earlier. As a result, your tag end and main line should be parallel to each other. Finish off by wrapping the tag end around the main line 3 to 5 times. And the remainder of the tag end back through the loop. Wet your line to prevent line burn and maintain a small loop while slowly cinching it up. I will provide the link to these products in the description below. The final step is to wacky rig your favorite plastic worm onto the jig head. You start by laying your worm across your hook to locate the center. Make a mental note of that spot and drive your hook through. That basically completes your wacky rig slip bobber setup. Viewers, it is important to understand that slip bobber technique not only just works for bass fishing, this technique is also effective to catch crappie. Click on the link to see that video, otherwise it will also be available at the end. Back to your video.
Another one, guys. So that's this sucker. Largemouth bass.